Maria!
Nick, the fans here are all pumped up, getting ready for a performance from two very popular Disney Channel stars who play Cece and Rocky on Shake It Up. They are joined by some talented performers who are featured in the parks every day in Disney Channel Rocks. Now, with Watch Me and Shake It Up from the Shake It Up Break It Down CD and DVD, give it up for Bella Thorne and Zendaya! Team. Now we've got a lot more to come on this coast-to-coast holiday party. The Disney Parks Christmas Day Parade will return after this.